Indigo Airbus deal, 500 aircraft order. Indigo's record-breaking order for 500 Airbus A320 family aircraft. Indigo, India's largest airline, orders 500 Airbus A320 family aircraft worth $50 billion. Indigo maintains a 57.5% domestic market share in the Indian aviation market, April 2023, India. Deliveries of the aircraft are expected between 2030 and 2035. Indigo describes the order as the largest ever single aircraft purchase by any airline with Airbus. Expanding reach in Europe partnership with Turkish Airlines. Indigo currently operates 1,800 flights a day, with 10% of them on international routes. Air India's deal for 470 aircrafts with Airbus and Boeing Co. in February reflects the growth in the Indian aviation industry. Asia, including China and India, predicted to become the new center of gravity in aviation.